Assalamu alaikum. My name is Masanori Kondo, Secretary General of the Asia Pacific Telecommunity, APT. APT is the only international organization in this Asia Pacific region focusing on information and communication technologies, ICT. Today, I would like to introduce SATRC, which stands for South Asian Telecommunication Regulatory Council, which is one of the most important activities of the APT. SATRC has two working groups, one of which is Working Group on Policy, Regulation and Services, PRS. This working group is important for members to exchange best practices and knowledge of ICT regulatory issues, such as radio frequency coordination and standardization and ICT development strategies. Pakistan Telecommunication Authority, PTA, kindly hosts this working group on PRS this week, and APT appreciates its effort and hospitality. The government of Pakistan is always very active in the work of APT, and we have been collaborating in many fields of ICTs, including the work of SATRC. And we would like to continue to strengthen this relationship in the future. I again would like to thank PTA for hosting SATRC 2023. Kuda Hafiz.